Hello guys, this is a sound test of the modded Akko 005 versus my modded Figure IK75 Pro. Both of these keyboards have been made, I mean they have been modded by Sectil. Check his channel out. I do recommend. He's a very sexy individual. And I do recommend watching all of his videos and liking him. Yes, but let's get started. So this is my Figure IK75. I will do this. Damn. Okay, so that was my Figure IK75. Let's move it to the side. So I grab my other keyboard. I apologize for the background noise. That's my fan. It's quite hot at the moment. Just like me, for real. Unfortunately, this keyboard does not have stands, so I will have to use it flat. But I don't care. Ooh. It's creamy. Damn, I am slower, but I have to get used to it. So yes, this was the sound test, and I hope you have a nice day.